Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Duo podcast. Before we start,
Wait, hold on. I need to warm up my feelings voice.
your what?
My feelings voice. You know, the voice you use when you're about to talk about deep, emotional things.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, everyone. Today we will explore the ocean of emotions.
Stop it. Stop it right now. Okay, let's try again.
Yes, for real this time.
Welcome to our English conversation practice. If you're new here,
Hit that subscribe button.
yes, we make fun, real English conversations to help you learn naturally.
And today we're talking about feelings.
Ooh, big topic.
Emotional topic.
Important topic.
And honestly, kind of scary sometimes.
Yeah, even for native speakers.
Especially for me. I avoid feelings like I avoid vegetables.
You need therapy.
Probably.
Okay, let's start. First, let's introduce ourselves for the new viewers. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Seattle in the United States. I love coffee, long walks, and talking about life.
Very deep.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Daniel. I'm from Chicago. I love food, jokes, and pretending I have my life together.
Same.
And today we want to help you learn how to talk about your feelings in simple English.
Because feelings are part of everyday life,
Even if you try to run away from them, like me.
especially you. So, I was thinking about this topic last week because something interesting happened.
Ooh!
Yeah, my friend asked me, Sarah, how are you feeling today?
Oof, that question hits hard sometimes.
Exactly, and I didn't know what to say.
Same. Sometimes I just say, I'm fine.
But you're not fine.
Never fine. I'm rarely fine.
But this time, I decided to answer honestly.
Oh, wow. Scary.
I know, I said, I feel stressed today.
That's good, though. Simple, clear, honest.
And it felt really nice saying what I really felt.
That's the power of expressing feelings. It makes your chest feel lighter.
Exactly. That's why we're doing this video.
Okay, but let's be real. Feelings are hard.
So hard.
For example, when someone asks me, how are you feeling?
You panic.
I panic immediately
Why?
because there are too many options. Happy, sad, tired, hungry, angry, lonely, confused, and sometimes all at the same time.
Are you okay?
No, but thanks for asking.
I think the problem is that we don't practice talking about feelings.
Right, we practice grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation.
But not our hearts.
Wow, that's poetic.
Thanks. I'm dramatic. Okay, let's teach some very simple, very useful feelings words.
Number 1, happy.
Everyone knows that one.
But you can say, I feel happy today, or I'm feeling happy right now.
Or even, this makes me happy.
Next one, sad.
Simple, but important.
I feel sad. I'm a little sad today.
Or, I feel down.
Yeah, that's very natural English, I feel down.
Another good one is nervous.
Like before a test,
Or before a job interview.
or when your crush walks by.
Calm down.
Another big feeling, angry.
I feel angry.
Or A softer version is I feel upset.
Upset is more gentle.
Yeah, it's like baby angry.
What?
Like a little angry baby inside you.
You need sleep. Can I tell you a story, Daniel? It's kind of personal, and honestly, it's a little emotional, so don't judge me.
Oh boy, whenever you say it's emotional, I know we're about to go deep. Let me prepare my heart and maybe get a tissue just in case.
Okay. So, last year, I lost my favorite job, the one I loved, the one I thought I would stay in for a long time. And when it happened, I tried to act strong. I kept telling everyone, I'm fine. But honestly, I wasn't fine at all.
Yeah, I remember that time. You looked okay on the outside, but I could tell something wasn't right. You were quieter, more tired, more, I don't know, closed.
Exactly. I was scared. I was embarrassed. And I felt so lonely because I didn't want anyone to know how much I was hurting inside.
That's real. That's something so many people experience but don't say out loud.
And then one day, I finally told my best friend, I feel lost. Just those two words. I feel lost. And it was like something heavy came out of my chest.
Lost is such a strong feeling. It's simple, but it says so much.
Yeah. And the crazy thing is, just saying it helped. Not fixing the problem, not changing my life, just saying the feeling made me feel less alone.
That's what I always say. Emotions need windows.
What do you mean by that?
Well, if you keep emotions inside without talking about them, they get stuck, they get heavy, they suffocate you. But when you open a window, when you talk about what you feel, the air comes in. You can breathe again.
Wow, that's actually beautiful. I wasn't expecting you to be that poetic.
I know, right? I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, my turn. I have a story too, and it is absolutely ridiculous.
Oh no, this is gonna be good.
So, last month, I went on a date. A real date. Not a dream, not a hallucination, a real one.
I'm already impressed.
Thank you, thank you. It was going well. We were talking, laughing, sharing food. And then she suddenly looked at me right in the eyes and asked, So, Daniel, how do you feel about dating?
Oh no.
My whole brain just shut off completely, like someone unplugged the cable.
Like, your brain went blue screen?
Yes, complete system failure. I panicked, and I don't know why, but my mouth said food.
You said food when she asked how you feel about dating?
Yes, like a genius.
Why?
Panic. My brain searched for the closest safe word and grabbed food.
That must have been the funniest moment ever.
Oh, she laughed so hard. Then I laughed because, honestly, What else can you do in that situation? Finally, I said, "Sorry, I feel nervous."
That's honest, though.
Yeah, and then she said she felt nervous too.
See, that's the magic of sharing feelings. It creates connection.
Exactly. If I didn't say I was nervous, she might have thought I didn't care. But when I said how I really felt, it opened the door to real conversation.
Okay, let's take a moment to teach some simple, natural phrases you can use to talk about feelings, especially if you're learning English.
Yes, these are real English phrases, very easy and super useful in everyday life.
I feel. This is the most basic and clear way to express an emotion. I feel happy. Simple and direct. I feel stressed. Great for work or school pressure. I feel worried. When something is on your mind. I feel excited. When something good is coming.
I'm feeling. This sounds a little softer, more temporary. I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling hopeful. I'm feeling a little sad.
I'm a little. This is perfect when the feeling is small, not too strong. I'm a little confused. I'm a little scared. I'm a little nervous.
Right now, This is great when you want to talk about the present moment. Right now, I feel calm. Right now, I feel relaxed. Right now, I don't feel okay.
It makes me. This explains the cause of your emotion. It makes me happy. It makes me angry. It makes me smile. It makes me feel safe. That last one, it makes me feel safe, that's a powerful one.
Yeah. Feeling safe is one of the most important emotions in any relationship. Friends, family, partners, anyone.
Sarah, can I be real for a little bit?
Of course, you can always be real here. I think a lot of people are scared to talk about feelings because they think it makes them look weak. Like if they say, I feel sad or I feel lonely, people might judge them.
That's so true.
But I've learned something in my life. Talking about your feelings isn't weakness.
It's courage.
Exactly. The courage to be honest, the courage to be human.
Sometimes people just need one moment of honesty to feel understood.
Right. Even one simple sentence can help someone feel seen.
Like, I feel lonely.
Or, I feel grateful.
Or I feel sad, but I'm trying.
Or even, I'm not okay today.
Those words open your heart.
And they help other people open theirs too.
Okay, we're getting a little emotional here.
I know. My eyes are sweating again.
Sweating?
Yes, sweating. Crying is too emotional of a word for me right now.
You're ridiculous.
I know, but that's one of my feelings too. Ridiculousness.
You know, feelings don't have to be huge, dramatic things. Sometimes they're small, very small.
Yeah, like tiny sadness. Like a mini sadness sitting in your pocket.
Exactly. Like when you're not super sad, but you feel a little lonely when you walk home alone.
Or when you wake up and you just feel unmotivated for no special reason.
That happens to me all the time.
Or my personal favorite, I feel hungry.
Daniel,
Don't judge me. Hunger is an emotion for me.
it's not an emotion.
It is when I feel it.
But seriously, talking about your emotions makes life easier.
And it strengthens relationships.
Yes, because people understand you better.
And you understand yourself better.
When you say your feelings out loud, they become clear.
And once they're clear, you can deal with them.
Exactly. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for staying with us through this long, real, emotional, and sometimes funny conversation.
Yeah, this episode was special. It felt honest.
We hope this helped you learn new English phrases, but we also hope it helped your heart.
Remember, it's okay to talk about your feelings. You don't need to be perfect.
Just be honest.
And be human.
Thank you for learning with us and spending time with us today.
And if you enjoyed this conversation,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
we'll see you in the next video.
Take care of your English and take care of your heart.
Bye.